In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot. Whether you're transitioning to HubSpot or simply updating your existing database, managing your contacts effectively is key. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can get your contacts up and running seamlessly. First, to get started, it's essential to properly prepare your file. You'll need either a CSV or Excel file, and it's crucial that your first row contains column headers that match the HubSpot properties exactly, such as email, first name, or last name. HubSpot uses these properties to identify your contacts, so ensuring they are correct is paramount. Remember, including the email, first name, or last name is a requirement, not just a recommendation. If you're looking to update existing contacts instead of creating duplicates, make sure you include an email or record ID. Pay attention to the format you're using for your data as well. Dates should follow a standard format, like October 28th, 2025, which could be written as 2025 to 10/28 or 10/28/2025. For checkboxes, use terms like yes, no, or true, false. Drop-down fields need to be filled with exact labels. If you have multiple checkbox values within a field, be sure to separate them with semicolons like option 1, option 2. Now that your file is ready, log into your HubSpot account. You'll want to navigate over to CRM, then select Contacts, and find Import. Alternatively, you can go to Data Management and then select Import. Once there, click on Start Import and choose File from Computer as your selection method. For the best results, choose the One File, One Object option and select Contacts. Then click Next to proceed. Next comes uploading and mapping your columns. After uploading your meticulously prepared file, HubSpot will automatically match your columns to existing properties. But don't worry if any columns fail to align automatically. You can manually select the proper property from the drop-down menu or even create a new custom property on the fly. This step ensures that all your data goes into the right places. After mapping, configure your import options wisely. Here, you decide how you want HubSpot to behave during the import, like whether you want to create and update contacts together, create contacts only, or update existing ones only, which is recommended if you're working with an existing database. To be on the safe side, it's a good idea to tick the Don't Overwrite Existing Values option just so you don't accidentally lose data you want to keep. Once you've set everything up, give your import a name, such as April Leads Import, and click Finish Import. HubSpot will then handle everything in the background. It will present you with a summary once the import is complete. Should errors arise, you can download an error report, correct the file for any issues, and re-import just the rows that failed. Finally, it's time to confirm everything went smoothly. Head over to the Contacts section. Search for a few records to ensure the details have been imported accurately. If you've designated any lists, you can check your new contacts there. Utilize filters or segments to organize your contacts further as needed. And just like that, your contact list in HubSpot is good to go.